How to change PayPal password to keep your money safe. Let's jump right into the steps. Open any of the browser. I'm using Safari here. Search for PayPal and log into it. Now tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner and tap on Wallet. You want to tap on Security, that is on the top. Scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on Password to change the password. Now here you want to enter your current password, your new password and confirm your password. Then you want to tap on Change Password. Go back. Now scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on Security Questions. Now here you want to select a question and choose your answer, and then again select a question, choose your answer wisely. So when you do that, you'll be able to secure PayPal and successfully save your money. So I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.